So I just got home from work and you know what I found? This mess. Robin, did you make that mess? Huh? Did you? Oh, but that's not all she did. She broke my freaking Star Wars Lego set. Do you really not like Star Wars that much? You really that much of a Trekkie? Oh, and then she drank all my V8. How does a cat even drink out of a bottle? I don't get it. Oh, and if you thought this stuff was bad, wait till you see this. She threw a freaking party. She didn't even get my permission and she threw a party. Pizza, juice boxes, adult themed games. Are you kidding me? You better not have invited those damn puppies to this party, Robin. They the ones giving you the juice? Huh? They giving you the juice? No, no more juice for you. Oh, and then it gets so much worse in the room. Look what she did to the mirror. That is so disgusting. Where the hell did she learn that from? She's only 1 year old. Robin, look what you did. You're gonna have to erase all that, okay? You're gonna have to erase all of that, Missy. Oh, yeah, and then look. She decided to watch Batman vs. Superman without me. Are you kidding me? We religiously watch this every Friday and she just decides to watch it without me? This is my favorite movie. Seriously. You should have just watched Batman and Robin. And then, oh God, I can't even believe this. How does a kid even do this? A Logan Paul and the girl from The Ring fan fiction? Like, it's like 5 pages long. You have some serious issues. Also, how did you learn to type? Here, she actually did something nice. She made my bed. She actually made my bed. Or so I thought, until I looked under the covers, and she's literally hiding weapons. What the heck? Is she with the CIA? Is she some gun dealer or what? Like, what kind of cat has guns hiding under a bed? You with the CIA? Hey, you with the CIA? And lastly, I can't believe this. She kidnapped my freaking girlfriend. Like, wow, I knew you didn't like her, Robin, but really? You kidnapped her? Wow. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. She's been such a good kitty, but lately, she's just been so naughty. What the? Naughty kitty. Naughty, naughty kitty.
It's the one and only Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.